This Sunday afternoon, a terrible hailstorm hit the Mexico City, causing floods and damage to some businesses, as well as traffic jams on a major highway. Heavy rains with hail were recorded on Sunday afternoon and affected several areas of Mexico City, such as the Tlalpan, Benito Juárez and Iztapalapa mayoralties, south and east. In some of them leaving puddles that caused chaos on public roads. The Secretariat for Comprehensive Risk Management and Civil Protection activated a yellow alert, moderate danger, due to rainfall and hailstorms in 10 of the 16 municipalities of the Mexican capital, Iztapalapa, Coyoacán, Tláhuac, Tlalpan, Xochimilco, Magdalena Contreras, Benito Juárez, Álvaro Obregon, Miguel Hidalgo and Cuajimalpa. As reported by the agency, the accumulation of hail caused the fall of a tin roof of a supermarket located in Mixcoac, in the southern part of the city, and also collapsed the awning of a food preparation stand. Quoted by the local newspaper Milenio, the mayor of Benito Juárez, Santiago Taboada, reported that a person was transferred to the Red Cross, presumably for having suffered a nervous breakdown after the roof collapsed in the supermarket. However, no injuries were reported in either of the two events. Meanwhile, the local newspaper Excelsior reported traffic jams of up to 2 hours on the second floor of the Periferico, one of the main road arteries of the city, due to the accumulation of hail. In addition to showers in Campeche, Mexico City, Guanajuato, Hidalgo, Morelos, Nayarit, Puebla, Querétaro, Quintana Roo, San Luis Potosí, Sinaloa, Sonora, Tabasco, Tlaxcala and Zacatecas.